These are the happenings noong aming Lagaw Capiz tour within Capiz and first ever tour as a first year student taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. Basta tourism, mga turista inaiya. So dahil maaga yung call time namin, 6 a.m. kaya naman 5 a.m. ay nag-travel na ako. Anyway, nakisakay lang pala ako sa aking friend and less gastos na rin. Inayusan ko nga muna tong aking friend kasi yung buhok niya ay tumatayo na parang lilipad na siya umagang umaga. Andito pala kami ngayon sa San Antonio Resort kasi dito yung meeting place namin at saka dito rin kami kakain ng aming breakfast guys. And look at our breakfast guys. Typical breakfast pero masarap.
Guys, we're gonna have some short tour here in the San Antonio Resort.
So after we ate our breakfast ay tinur na kami dito kasi meron kaming short tour here inside the resort and our first stop is the Infinity Pool at super ganda guys ng kanilang pool. How I wish na makapagtampisaw pa kami pero we have only limited time to tour around. And I would like to say thank you kay Gerald for filming or being our videographer and to IC for letting me use her phone para mas manami ang quality sang video. And also shout out kay Angeline, kay Eunice, kay Mika Barlas, ang akong mga upod guys. And also pinakita din sa amin yung front desk or front area ng hotel guys, yung receiving area nila. Super ganda sa chandelier pa lang guys, masasabi mo na, afford ko pa ba to? Charlie. After the tour sa hotel nila guys, sa reception area or sa receiving area nila banda, is tinur din nila kami guys sa mga villa nila na ina-offer sa mga tourists for more privacy. First time ko makapunta sa ganitong klaseng resort, hotel resort, and I was so amazed. Sobrang ganda ng kanilang facilities and super malawak yung resort nila guys. And after that, nandito na kami sa mga designated buses namin at nag-orient na yung aming tour guide, nagbibigay ng mga knowledge and backgrounds, information about the tourist attractions na later on ay bibisitahin na namin. So our first stop is the Immaculate Concepcion Metropolitan Cathedral Church. Located ni siya malapit sa may capital. And this church is one of the oldest churches here in Capiz, guys.
Hi guys, we are now here in Provincial Park. Our second stop.
And here's our second stop, guys. Super ganda dito, guys, as in, lalong-lalo na kapag Valentine's Day, Christmas, kasi maraming mga lights dito, guys, especially sa gabi. This one is a very perfect spot for magde-date na mga couples. Sana all. And look at the view guys, that is only a man-made. Yung cave, man-made, and then may mga falls and also the fish ponds na mayroong mga goldfish. And we are allowed to feed them guys. And feel ko tuloy na sa isla pa rin ako kasi mayroong mga fish. And look at that, sobrang ganda. Oh, sure. What can you say about the place guys? Isn't it amazing, right? And very beautiful. And this is it, our third stop. We are now here in the Santa Monica Parish Church, located at Panay, Roxas City, Capiz, one of the oldest and historical churches in Capiz. And we are also given an opportunity para makita yung pinakamalaking bell nila dito guys, up here. At super nakakalula guys, super breathtaking na kung mayroong kang nervyos ay talagang malalagutan ka ng hininga. Literal.
Yay, we're done! Guys, the hagdan to the bell is very, very dangerous.
So, not dangerous.
It's very, very dangerous. But it's good because we know how the bell up there. Yay, bye-bye.
So pagkatapos ng short tour namin sa Santa Monica Parish Church ay pumunta na kami dito sa aming last stop sa Cuartero. And on the way to Cuartero ay nakatulog ako but I woke up because they're so malingaw kasi nagsa-sound trip sila guys. Kaya naman kinain ko na lang yung siopaw na snacks namin kasi I'm so hungry na din kasi mag-11 na at mag-12 na pala. And maya-maya ay nandito na kami sa Eco Park. Tchadan! Sobrang ganda. Parang ako. Char.
Okay, we are now here na sa Capiz Eco Park here in Cuartero. Yes! It's so good here guys. Super nature. And we're gonna have our lunch here. And it's very late na kasi it's 12 na.
We're gonna panyaga na guys.
And here we are na sa aming kakainan ng lunch. Sobrang ganda ha. Very open place yung kakainan namin. Sobrang mahangin pa. And I'm very excited kasi sabi ni Sir yung mga food daw dito is very mga traditional food. Syempre, there are mga foods na hindi ko pa natatry in my whole existence. About. And this is our Sir. Say hi to the camera, Sir. Hi daw, guys. He is the owner of the travel agency na nag-cater sa amin, guys. The name of his agency is the Amazing Discoveries Travel and Tours. If you want a preference lang ara sa SM. And akala nga namin kainan na, pero ay nag-orient pa si Sir dito sa mga activities na aming gagawin after sa pagkain. And here we are, the fruits, our food guys. Mayroong nilagang okra, may talong, at saka may mga foods, different foods dito na hindi ko pa natatry on. And also mga namimiss kong kakanin, the puto or the rice puto, and then the bicho-bicho, and then we have here also the tanglad tea. But I didn't try their tanglad tea kasi nag-stick lang ako sa BJ. Oy, wag kayong dirty-minded dyan ha. It's a buko juice na very natural, walang halong chemical. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, very cultural. I mean, it's very traditional yung food dito. We have here also the binakol, o yung tinolang manok na may kamyas, at saka we also have here tinolang manok na may ubad or upas, and also ginataan na dahon ng balinghoy or cassava leaves, at mga pantat or hito, as in maraming food.
Babae, ikaw sa amon ta na ang panawag namon sa bayi binuhat. Ang panawag namon sa gwapa maruyog. Maruyog.
Maruyog kabila.
Sila maruyog, si ma'am maruyog.
Maruyog ini binuhat. Ang gotang balon, gwapa nga babae.
Ang sa lalaki. Lalaki daw, gwapo nga lalaki.
Ang amos, ang lalaki sa amon amos.
Gwapo. Ang gwapo. Ang gwapo. Gwapo nga. Ang gwapo.
Parehas lang, maruyog nga amos.
And you know what's the best part about this tour? We able to meet some of the indigenous people or mga katutubong Pilipino. We met some Eita, dalawa sila, and also bumili na rin kami na kanilang ginagawang wallet guys made in rattan. And sabi nila, very rare na daw yung rattan na ginagamit nila kasi kanila pa yung hinahanap sa mga kabundukan. So that's why we bought two, dalawa kami ni Zarina. Nahuli nga kami and this is our second stop kung saan magluluto kami ng binakol na nasa loob ng bamboo siya guys. And we also tried making some nilupak guys. And I know that it's very rare to find mga nilupak these days kasi we are in a modern world na so sad. And some of us nga siguro hindi nakakilala sa ganitong pagkain eh. What I love about this tour is because we are going or we able to witness ng mga indigenous people nag-wave sa mga basket. Syempre makalearn kami how to wave a basket. And also, makahimo kami sang mga, or magluto kami sang mga traditional food like this. Nilupak atong binakol pag nagiluto sa kawayan. And also, may nakikita rin kami dito ng mga eagle, guys. We saw a serpent eagle. At pinakita rin dito sa amin kung paano mag-wave ng fabric or yung tela. As in a traditional way na using your hands. And also, nakasakay din kami ng karabaw guys sa kalesa. And also, tinur din kami dito sa mga bahay kubo ng mga iba't ibang katutubong Pilipino natin. Nasa structure pa lang ng bahay, masasabi mo na kung ano yung klaseng buhay na meron sila. And it was made by their masters. Also met one of the Panay Bukidnon na katutubong Pilipino. Tapos nagluto siya diri sang rice coffee. Ito yung very traditional rice coffee nila kasi back then wala pa namang mga 3-in-1 no. Kaya ito yung kanilang nagsisilbing kape. So bali sa kawali ay naglagay lang siya ng special rice grains at saka kanya lang hinalo-halo until na mag golden brown at saka nilagyan niya ng tubig tapos pinakuluan, then hiniwalay niya na yung mga rice grains at saka tubig na lang yung natira. Yan na yung tinatawag nila na coffee. I was hesitant at first pero nanaig pa rin yung curiosity ko kung ano yung lasa ng kanilang traditional coffee and it tastes like a coffee naman talaga siya. Mapait na medyo matapang. Ito talaga yung reason bakit choose ko yung tourism industry kasi yung career na tatahakin ko it's because I like exploring things, trying new things, and exploring new places na makakilala sa mga iba't ibang tao, not lang na makage kita sa isa ka-environment. I want to explore. So, fly high, butterfly tayo. And also, we learn a lot about the cultures of Panay Bukidnon and their traditions. Some of their traditions are shocking, but it's nice. At least naka-learn kami nga amugaliin na siya. And that's all about our day tour na 3 days akong in LBM kasi napasobra yata ako sa pagkain at pag-enjoy ng mga traditional food nila.